GCF.
JCF.
Joseph?
Oh, game. Sige na. Okay na. Sige.
Sige. Ito mga fans, mga idol. Magandang hapon po sa itong lahat dyan. Dito kami ngayon sa Robinson, Nalilamon. Pupunta kami sa JCF, sa may simbahan.
Oh, yan.
May kape doon at saka donut.
Ayun.
Ah,
Papainit. Ewan ako. Ay, maulan ang panahon.
Pangpainit sa katawan kasi
Oo.
tagulan ngayon.
Oh, yan. Okay ka naman.
Ito mga kasabahan ko. Pupunta kami doon sa...
Ano ba? Kakahilo yan ah. Saan ba? Ayun.
98 only. Saan man dyan?
Baba na yung sinito.
Pababa na kami sa elevator.
Magkakabi po tayo yun. Magkabi nga naulan, mga lodi. Yan o.
Tamang-tama.
Si Mario Rosales TV at si Itoyes Lolong. Black Rider na ngayon.
Ha? Sana wag nyo kami kalimutan sa pag-like and comment, share, subscribe. YouTube channel.
Saan po channel ni
Mario Rosales TV. At saka ni Jeffrey Space Vlog.
Jeffrey Space Vlog. Si Lolong Alcaro.
Si Lolong Alcaro.
Dapat mo din sa kabila.
Pupunta na tayo. Dito po.
Oh, yeah.
Kain sa Friday.
Friday siya. Titingnan natin yung pagkain dyan. Yan o, Friday show.
Friday.
Sa 1 million views. Yan, akayin natin lahat yan. Kasi tayo mabusog.
Oo, hanggang mabusog kayo.
Tayo mabundat.
Dito tayo kain sa Friday Pagkabiyaya. Abangan nyo pag may biyaya kayo. Sunod na panahon. Dito sa
Oo.
Robinson Nalilamon. Dito na kami sa...
Yan. Oh, yan po. Oh, sige. Sige.
May nangyay, may biyaya ako kundi. Ito, yan ako.
Wala yan.
Si Pan naman.
Di po, okay po. Ito na po. Vlog.
Vlog, sir. Sige, salamat.
Ayan, ito. Bibigay ito ng ano. Wala pa, hindi pa naka-withdraw to eh. Mag-withdraw pa lang yan.
Withdraw tayo sa,
Saan?
sa chip.
Alkansya.
Mga fans, mga idol. Sana huwag kayong magsawa sa pagsuportan nyo sa akin, sa pag-like and comment. Share, subscribe YouTube channel Mario Rosales TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang God bless mga fans, mga idol. Ingat kayo palagi.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Okay, tuwid. Saan tayo? Malapit na ba tayo?
Malapit na tayo.
Hala. Anong lugar to? Saan na ba tayo? Ha? Ligas? Oo. Ayan, IDB, Garnet Road. Ayan po. Dito po yung GCF. Ayan po, Garnet Road. Ayan. Ayan, Barangay San Antonio. Ayan po, dito tayo pupunta oh. Mahanip tayo ng donut at saka siopaw.
Oo, may libing.
Siopaw ni Lola Nenas. Ayan. Lola Nenas siopaw. Ayan, nakinigin natin ang training atin, mga Pilipinong pagkain.
Malapit na kami makaharating doon sa
Oo.
mga fans, mga idol.
Oo.
Dito sa ilang tansyo na lang.
Ayan, ito. Real hope. May pag-asa mga melody. Ano, real hope. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, kuya. Ito yung ano. Dito, bago lang po to.
Familiar eh.
Oo, bago lang po to.
Kasi familiar eh.
Opo.
Familiar yung mga.
Oh, vlogger po yan. Oh, oh, sige.
Mga fans mga idol dito sa...
Vlogger po to eh, vlogger. Oh, vlogger siya, vlogger. Vlog. Oh, ikaw. May kape na. Oh, may kape.
Peter, you will find this etched in the dome that is above his head, very high up on the ceiling of the basilica. This verse in Latin is emblazoned there because it is their belief that it is Peter who is the rock upon which the church is built. Beloved, we love our Roman Catholic friends, but that is heresy. That is heresy. Very clearly, in Matthew 16, the Lord said, I will build my church. He did address Peter. He said, you are Petros. And on this, sorry, let me get that right. You are Petros. And on this Petra, different words. You are Petros, small rock. And on this Petra, big rock, I will build my church. What's the big rock? Well, what Peter said before that. He said in verse 16, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. That's the rock upon which the church is built. And it is Christ who will build his church. That's why he is the one who gave the Great Commission. Matthew 28, right? Let me start in verse 18 where he said, all authority... Okay, it's lost it. My app froze. All authority has been given unto me in heaven and on earth. Therefore, said, go, make disciples of all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, and then teaching them to obey what I have commanded you. And lo, I will be with you until the end of the age. That's actually what we do here every Wednesday. We go and we share the gospel. After they believe and receive, we bring them into the church, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And a number of you have already been baptized in this church, brought into the membership of this local church, and then teaching you to obey all that He has commanded us. Notice, of those three things, the one that takes the longest and is the most dominant activity is to obey. Takes precedence. Sharing of the gospel is the opening. The baptizing is when you bring the celebrate. It's about building His church. Going to is this chairs, they're always filled, and they go nuts elsewhere. In fact, just right across the street over here, it's right across the street over there, just down the street by here.